Hi there. Disability Support Services is launching a new database this semester. This brief video will show you how to submit the faculty form for test and exam proctoring for students that may be testing with us. Good news! You will only need to do this once for each student per semester. Now I'm going to show you what to do when you receive notice that a student in your course would like to receive alternative testing accommodations. First, you will receive an email from Disability Support Services. When you click on it, you will notice the student's name is bolded. Further down, the specific accommodations that the student is eligible for are listed. In this case, alternative testing, deaf and hard of hearing accommodations, and note-taking services. You don't have to worry about note-taking because this accommodation will be arranged by DSS. DSS can also assist with deaf and hard of hearing accommodations, such as captioning of video and audio materials. Further down, you'll see a link to an alternative testing contract. This will replace the alternative testing form that you may have filled out in the past for each test or exam that DSS proctored for you. When you click on it, you first want to verify that this is a course you are teaching. Then go ahead and continue to fill out the testing contract. The contract will work as it did in the past in that you can tell us exactly how you would like us to proctor the test or exam. First, you can indicate what the usual allotted time is for tests. If you have any additional notes or comments, you may add that in the text box below each item. Then, you can tell us whether or not notes, books, or calculators are allowed for students taking the test. You can also submit additional comments or notes in the text boxes. Next, you can tell us how you would like the exams delivered and returned. You have the option to upload it directly to DSS online services, drop it off in person, fax it, or a DSS proctor can pick it up from the faculty office. For return methods, we can scan it and email it back to you. You can come pick it up, or a DSS student worker can return it. We ask that you specify where you would like the student to return it and who will sign for it. You then submit your phone number and any additional notes that you would like to give us. Then, simply submit the alternative testing contract. When you see this page, you know that it has been successfully submitted to our online services. Thank you.